Okay, we're here at the main Kiewit office, I think. Find out in a second. Morning. Pretty good. Is this the main office?
No, this is the Corps of Engineers. The other contractor office is next to the building.
Oh, okay. All right, so any one of those two? One of those two or something?
Right.
Okay, cool. Thanks. So the Army Corps of Engineers keep staying out here to work with Kiewit?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, very energetic.
Can I help? Yeah, where's the main office?
Right here.
What do you need? Well, it's, I wanted to register so that I can see the areas if all visitors must register. Oh, that's in here. Yeah. Sure. I can wait here for Belinda whenever she gets in. She's the one you want to talk to. That or Nick.
These are the two guys you want to talk to.
Okay, thanks.
What can I help you with?
Yeah, I wanted to know, well, it says on the sign over there that all visitors must register at the main office. So I was trying to find the main office.
This is it.
Okay. So,
Well, you have to have business with us.
oh, okay.
Okay. We don't just let somebody register and go around the site.
I see.
If you have business with us,
Okay.
you'll be escorted around. If you don't have business, you need to leave the property.
Okay, so a business as in like a subcontractor or something like that?
Correct? Or working for us.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a construction site. It's not a tour site.
Okay, so like, is there any way for just like the regular public to find out like what's going on here?
For the regular public to find out about this project, I would imagine you would have to go to maybe, is there a website somebody can check out to find out about the project? Hey, is there a website that the normal public can find out about the project, what's going on?
There's a phone number that the Border Patrol has. It's a public information line.
Okay, this
On the
gentleman.
Yeah.
What is it?
I gotta get it. I don't have it on my phone. I'll go grab it for you.
And that's the best I can do for you, but then you gotta.
Okay, head out, like, not just the public roads here, right?
Yeah, off our site.
Okay, inside this area.
Off our site. Okay?
Thanks.